Tired of a website navigation that sends visitors running for the hills? Let's transform that chaos into a sleek, user-friendly experience by crafting a beautiful horizontal navigation menu in Wix. First, fire up your Wix Editor and navigate to the top of your page where your current menu resides. If you have one, don't worry, we'll make it look great. Click on the existing menu element, and a settings panel will pop up. Next, hit Manage Menu. This will open the Pages and Menu panel where you can organize your site's navigation. Here, you can drag and drop pages to reorder them within your menu so pages will automatically appear as drop-down options. Now, let's customize the look. Click on the Design option in the menu settings. Wix offers a ton of preset designs to get you started. Browse through them and choose one that complements your website's aesthetic. Want to go deeper? Customize the colors, fonts, spacing, and even add cool hover effects to make your menu truly stand out. For improved usability, consider making your menu sticky. This keeps it visible even when visitors scroll down the page. Finally, preview your website to see your beautiful new horizontal navigation menu in action and adjust as needed. With a clear, well-designed menu, you'll guide your visitors effortlessly through your site.